up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my sister's makeup for her graduation. It's an honor that she let me do it today, so I'm very excited. So let's get into the video. So first I'm just outlining her brows, and then I'm going to conceal the top and the bottom to give it a clean look. When I tell you it's hard doing somebody else's makeup, it really is. My back was hurting and everything, yeah. It's easy doing your own, yeah. Right now I'm just buffing out the concealer with my beauty blender. Now I'm using this primer I got from my Ipsy box, the hydrating primer. Now it's time to put the foundation on. She wears beautiful bronze as well, so that's what I'm putting on her face. Beautiful bronze from Black Opal. Now I'm getting a little brush and putting the foundation on top of the highlight above her brow, so it won't be so light up there. Right now I'm using Black Opal Tan Concealer, and I'm putting it on. And I'm just patting it with the beauty blender. Now I'm using this bronzer glow on her. I don't know why I didn't put the powder on there next, but by us rushing, I end up doing this step before the powder. Now I'm using Airspun translucent powder. I should have did this before the bronzer glow, but you can barely see the bronzer glow, so we should be straight. Since she wanted eyeshadow, I went ahead and put the concealer on her eyelids, and I'm buffing it out with a beauty blender. And I'm using Juvia's Place like always, and I'm putting the highlight underneath her eyebrow bone. Now I'm using the brown color underneath the highlight. It's just a dark brown, y'all. Now I'm using a clean brush to blend in the shadows. Right now, I'm doing a cut crease with the concealer, LA Girl Concealer, Warm Honey. Now I'm patting this light pink from Juvia's Place as well. I forgot which palette, but we was rushing, y'all. I'm sorry. All I'm doing now is just patting the eyeshadow on the cut crease, and it will show real good. Right now I'm just going back with my foundation brush because she had some eyeshadow fall from her face, so I'm just trying to make sure that it's none under her eye. Do y'all see this look already? It's already beat. I'm loving this eyeshadow. It's just popping. I'm really loving it. Now I'm adding the highlight that I got from my Ipsy as well. Now it's time for lashes. If you watch my channel, you know I buy mine from Amazon, and it has 5 pairs in 1 pack for $5, so I love them lashes. I'm also using Kiss glue. So this is the final look. We was rushing so bad, so I didn't really get no good pictures for real. But here's her graduation pictures. Well, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Congrats, Kiki.